guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 35th day of the 40 days challenge. My today's video is going to be sweet and short just like my recipe, so do enjoy it. Today I will share my smoothie recipe with you guys, that is quick and creamy hemp seed and blackberry smoothie. I will be adding dates to my smoothie. I will be making my smoothie vegan and dairy free by adding almond milk. So this recipe combines the antioxidant rich flavor of the blackberries with the protein and healthy fats found in hemp seeds for a simple and nutritious drink. What are we waiting for? Let's dive right into the recipe and see how it's done. Half a cup hemp seeds, 1 cup fresh blackberries, 2 dates, 1/4 cup peptides protein powder, and 1.5 cup of almond milk. Blend all this into a very fine smoothie. The amazing hemp seeds smoothie is now ready. My nutritious hemp seeds and blackberry smoothie is now ready, guys. And this is my breakfast. I can't wait to have it because I love this for breakfast. It gives me energy and all the nutrients I require to kickstart my day. You can never go wrong with this smoothie. So do give it a try for sure, okay? These kind of recipes should be stored in your golden recipe books and the secret of my glowing skin. My today's 2 cents is on kindness. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Kind words can be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are endless. Have a great day, guys. Until I see you guys in my next vlog. Bye-bye.